Due to the fact that these packs were bought at Target, I went to the liberty of taking them out of their packages for you. Hey guys, this is MTG Mafia, and I got some more pack opening for you guys. And today I got 2 Ravnica, 2 Avacyn, and 3 M12 or M13, not M12. My bad. I meant to get all 7 Ravnica, but they only had 2 left, and I went to 2 Targets in my area, and they didn't have any. The Walmart closest to me is pretty far, so I didn't go out of my way to go out there to get them. But yeah, I managed to get 2, and then I got some Avacyn and some M13. But of course, they had a luscious supply of these. But so I'm gonna start by opening these. Actually, I'll save the Ravnica for last. I'll open the Avacyn first. So I got a foil Abundant Growth. Okay, so I got a Blood Artist, a Gang of Devils, Blessing of Nature, and Divine Reflection. Okay. Sorry if there's gonna be any interruptions, guys. My family's just now getting home, so they might come in and intrude or something. Just ignore it. No foil. Okay, so I got a Vanishment, Triumph of Ferocity, Kestage something, and Treacherous Pit Dweller. So no bonfires or anything good there. Let's move on to the M12 or M13. God, I keep saying M12. So we have an Arctic Aven, Healer of the Pride, Elixir Immortality, and a Dragon Skull Summit. That's pretty good. That makes 5. And Goat Token. So we have a Ring of Zathrid, Oblivion Ring, and Wolfy Beast Tracker, and a Primordial Hydra. Sweet. Already got a Mythic. Ooh, got a foil. Save that foil for last. We got another Arctic Aven, Mind Claw Shaman, and a Flinthoof Boar, and an Intrepid Hero. And we got a foil Blood Hunter Bat. So that's not too bad. Now on to the Ravnica packs. I only got 2. Depressing. What the? And these things open too easily now. I could open one single Shockland yet out of this set. It's kind of sad. So I got a Spear of Safety, Rites of Reaping, Bizarre Kravod, and a Chaos Imp. Makes 2 of those. Gosh dang. This pack better be good. Let's get a foil or something. Oh, sweet. Got a foil uncommon. Codex Shredder. It's pretty good. Oh, got a Mythic. Necropolis Regent. Sorry, kind of just spoiler there. Thought Flare, Seek of the Horizon, and a Cordaz Guildmage. Centaur Token. Wait, did I get a... Wait, what was it? Centaur, and then what was the other one? Oh, a Goblin. Okay. I was hoping to get an assassin token or something. So, let's do a recap. So, altogether, this wasn't too bad. Necropolis Regent and a foil Codex Shredder. Chaos Imps, foil Blood Hunter Bat, and an Intrepid Hero.